My name is Dilesh. I did love books but could not completely read it. The excitement just faded away in few days after the purchase of new book. Hence I was looking for some mentor who could help me in reading faster and help me with the comprehension as well. That's when I heard about Saud Mansood Super Reader Mastery Program on social media. I did enroll in his free lecture and then into his weekend online programs. I did learn few different techniques to read faster and keep the interest in the book. I learned how purchasing and reading a book is about investment of time and money, and we have to have an eye on the return on investment. Personally, I could see increase in my speed by approximately 3 times in couple of weeks. By practice, I believe I can increase it further. I would recommend this course for all who wish to improve their reading habits and comprehension skill. Speed reading will help to gain time for implementation of the learning and bring in positive change in one's life. If you wish to invest in improvement of oneself, this is one course you have to consider. Thank you, Saud, for being a wonderful teacher and enlightening us. Thank you.